Hi everyone, my name's Jo and I'm a geologist. A few days ago Ian got in touch with me and asked if I could have a go at making a video about the rocks in my back garden. Unfortunately, I don't have a back garden, so today I'm going to be showing you all the rocks that I put on my patio. Okay, so the first rock I wanted to show you is this one just here. This has come all the way from Tenerife, which is one of the Canary Islands, and also a volcano. This rock here has come from a magma chamber underneath that volcano. So if you look closely at the surface of this rock, you can see some dark green crystals and also some brown crystals. These are minerals called olivine and pyroxene. The fact that these are found in this rock mean that the lava in the magma chamber of the volcano came from really deep within the earth. The volcano that makes up the island of Tenerife is a stratovolcano called Mount Teide. A stratovolcano is a volcano with steep sides that is made up of alternating layers of lava and ash. These alternating layers are caused by a mixture of explosive and effusive eruptions. Mount Teide is still an active volcano, but has not erupted for more than 100 years. Next, I wanted to show you these fossils that came all the way from Oman. So these fossils that came from Oman are called echinoids, and lots of these, like this one here, can still be found on the beach today. Modern-day sea urchins are a type of echinoid, and there are around 950 species of them alive today. They move slowly across the seabed using tiny tube feet, and sometimes push themselves with their spines. You can find fossils of these creatures all over the world. Some of them can even be up to 450 million years old. Next up, I have some more fossils that come all the way from Spain. These fossils are called ooids, and they are made up of single-celled organisms. Nowadays, creatures like this you have to look at with a microscope, but back when this rock was formed millions of years ago, they were up to 1 centimetre in size. Ooids are small sedimentary grains made of calcium carbonate, and they are formed on the sea floor in tropical regions of the planet. But wait a minute, didn't I say this rock was from Spain? That's right. I found these fossils near the top of a mountain in the Spanish Pyrenees. So how did they get up there? Well, about 80 million years ago, Spain and Portugal were their own mini-continent. When they collided with mainland Europe, they pushed up the seabed that was between them, creating the Pyrenean Mountains. So I saved my favourite rock for the end. This rock here came from a tungsten mine in Devon and has some really cool features, but there's only one way that we can see them. When we first look at this rock, you can't really see very much. A few dark patches, a few light patches, but if I pour some water over it, now we can see lots of these dark crystals, which are wolframite and cassiterite, which are the ore minerals of tungsten and tin, and we can also see some of the granite and a quartz vein that this rock came from. The tungsten and tin came from a mine in Dartmoor in Devon. Dartmoor is a large granite intrusion, and the tungsten and tin can be found in quartz veins within this granite. These metals are now being mined out of the ground in a large open pit called Drakelands Mine. The rocks here host the 4th largest tungsten and tin deposit in the whole world. So those were the rocks I put on my patio. I hope you found that interesting and gave you at least something to look at whilst you're stuck at home in lockdown.